Hello everybody. Now we are going to see the orthographic projections. Orthographic projections means from the three-dimensional object, you want to get front view, top view as well as side views as per the first angle projection. To understand, before going to the complicated object, let us start from a simple object. Let us consider a small rectangular slab like this of some dimension. Let us say this is 100 mm and this width is 80 mm. Of course the thickness is 20 mm. For this is the direction has to be given, in which direction we have to see for getting the front view. When you just see the front view will be of a rectangle of 20 mm side and 100 mm length. This is 100 mm and this will be 20 mm. Now the top view will be just opposite to this. Here we are getting the top view of 100 mm by 80 mm. This is 80 mm and this is 100 mm. Means when you see from the top view, we are getting this 80 by 100. When you see from the front, we are getting this 20 by 100 mm. Of course, from the side view, we just see from the side, we are getting the same thing, 20 by 80. This is 80 mm and this is 20 mm. This happens to be the left side view, which you are getting at the right hand side. Here again you can get another side view of 80 mm by 20 mm. This view is called orthographic view, whereas this one is called your isometric view. Now let us try to complicate this object slightly. That means instead of having a rectangular slab, I will just modify it like this. This is 20 mm and then this height, let us say 90 mm. Now it's a L slab. See, what is the change in the front view? When you just see the front view, not only this area, but this rectangular area, that means this 90 minus 20, that is 70 by 100, also will be visible. So we can modify this here in the front view like this. Total distance will be 90, from here it will be 70. Already it is 20. So this is going to be your front view. In the top view, of course it's the same 80 mm only. In this thickness 20 mm, we are going to get a strip like this. In the side view, suppose when you just see from the left hand side, we are getting up to the same height, we are getting this object like this, but this line will not be there. This is happens to be 20 mm. This is going to be your left side view, whereas this is going to be your right side. This is going to be your right side. This is what your views will be. Now let us further modify this object. That means here I am going to introduce one slant surface like this. of thickness 10 mm on both the sides. How this will get modified? In the front view, for this 10 mm thickness, you can just see the strip like this, and then from this side it is another strip like this, which is of 10 mm. Whereas the same thing will be happening in your top view like this from this point. That means after this 20 mm, it's just starting like this up to this end. But this side, when you just see from the top, you cannot see this height. Similarly, just opposite to this, here you will be getting another line which is of 10 mm. Whereas in the side view, the same thing will be like this. The left side view as well as in the right side view. But here you can notice this edge or these corners we cannot see, so that has to be shown by a dotted line like this. Similarly here you can show that one as a dotted line like this. Then only all the views will be indicating this slant surface. Now further, let us try to modify this object by introducing a slot here. That means I am just introducing a slot like this. That means to the depth of 5 mm and then to the thickness of 20 mm. So here, when you just see from the front, this edge we can see, this edge we can see, but this edge will exactly coincide with this. So here we will be getting two lines only in the front view, the width of 20 mm, but the depth we cannot see in the front view. Whereas in the top view, for the same groove we can just show like this, but this line will be missing. Whereas in the side view, we can see the depth, that is for 5 mm. We have to draw one more line because this edge, as well as this edge, will not be visible from this side. So we have to show a dotted line here. Similarly, here also we have to show a dotted line here. We will try to modify this figure further. That means at the top, I am just going